In this segment of the Microsoft Teams tutorial, I'll briefly go over the Files option in Microsoft Teams. On the left-hand side on Microsoft Teams, there's this module called Files. And the Files option is any of the files that we have access through our collaboration with various teams in this platform, or files that we have sent to other individuals as part of our interactions. So notice we have the option for recent files that we have been using. Then there are also the Microsoft Teams files that we have stored in the Teams module here on the left-hand side. Items that we have downloaded, we can access, and from here we can access the OneDrive files from the web. If you prefer to integrate additional services as part of the Files option within Microsoft Teams, you can also click here on Add Cloud Storage and then select to add whether Dropbox or other cloud tools or file storage platforms such as Google Drive and so on. Because it's so tightly integrated with the other Microsoft products, you'll be able to simply click on them and it will open Microsoft 365, not the desktop version of Word, but it's the Microsoft 365 version of it. So you'll find most likely that the functionality of the cloud version, it's a little bit limited than the desktop version that you might have in your PC.